Hello students, my name is Hetal Kanani. Today we will solve the paper of SEM 1. Question number 1. For each of the given questions, choose the correct option. First one. शशकः कुत्र निवसति? शशकः कुत्र निवसति? The answer is A. Vanam. Number 2. वृक्षात् किं पतति? वृक्षात् किं पतति? Correct answer is C. Parnam. Third question. हस्तिन शुंडा कीदृशी? हस्तिन शुंडा कीदृशी? The correct option is C. कदली सदृशी. Number 4. हस्तिन विशाले देहे तस्य नेत्रे कीदृशे? हस्तिन विशाले देहे तस्य नेत्रे कीदृशे? The correct option is B. संसर्प सर्षप सन्निभे. सर्षप सन्निभे. Number 5. श्वः शनिवासरः यः कः वासरः? श्वः शनिवासरः यः कः वासरः? The correct answer is option A. शुक्रवासरः. Number 6. एकस्मिन् वने एकः डैश अस्ति. एकस्मिन् वने एकः डैश अस्ति. The correct answer is option A. वटवृक्षः. वटवृक्षः. Number 7. काकः क्या सः आहार्थं गच्छति? काकः क्या सः आहार्थं गच्छति? Option C. भार्यया. भार्यया is the right answer. Number 8. कः दिव्या दैवी सृष्टिः अस्ति? कः दिव्या दैवी सृष्टिः अस्ति? The correct answer is option D. हस्ति. Number 9. कः धावति? कः धावति? The correct answer is option A. शशकः. Number 10. हस्ति कस्मात् भीतः? हस्ति कस्मात् भीतः? The correct answer is option D. महावतः अंकुशमात्रात्. महावतः अंकुशमात्रात्. Next one. Question number 1B. Match the following. Match the following. There are 2 columns. We have to match with their proper pair. First one. हस्ति 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 दिव्य दैवी सृष्टि. Second. अल्पं तुच्छं पुच्छं अहो अहा विचित्रम. Third one. शशकः शयनं करोति. Fourth one. शृगालः धावतु. Fifth one. वानरभ्रातः अनुधावति. वानरभ्रातः अनुधावति. Okay. Now question 1C. True or false? First one. Sanskrit is written in Hindi script. Sanskrit is written in Hindi script. This sentence is false. Sanskrit is written in Devanagari script. Okay. So this is the wrong statement. So it is false. Second one. Sanskrit is the mother of many languages. Sanskrit is the mother of many languages. True. It is true. Third one. हस्तिन उदरम उन्नतम अस्ति. हस्तिन उदरम उन्नतम अस्ति. False. हस्तिन नेत्रे विशाले स्तः. हस्तिन नेत्रे विशाले स्तः. False. हस्तिन दंतो शूर्पाकारो स्तः. हस्तिन दंतो शूर्पाकारो स्तः. False. हस्तिन पुच्छम अल्पम तुच्छम च. True. हस्तिन पुच्छम अल्पम तुच्छम च. It is true. Now next question number 2a. Answer the following questions in one sentence in English. Answer the following questions in one sentence in English. First question. How is elephant's trunk? How is elephant's trunk? Elephant's trunk is like a banana. Elephant's trunk is like a banana. Second question. Who lived in the hollow under the tree? Who lived in the hollow under the tree? The answer is a snake lived in the hollow under the tree. A snake lived in the hollow under the tree. Third question. Where does the crow throw the golden necklace? Where does the crow throw the golden necklace? Answer. The crow throws the golden necklace inside the hollow. The crow throws the golden necklace inside the hollow. How are elephants' legs? How are elephants' legs? The answer. Elephants' legs are like a pillars. Elephants' legs are like pillars. Number 5. In which script is Sanskrit written? In which script Sanskrit is written? Answer is Sanskrit is written in Devanagari script. Sanskrit is written in Devanagari script. Sixth question. Where did the rabbit live? Where did the rabbit live? Answer. The rabbit lived in a forest. The rabbit lived in a forest. What does the rabbit say to the fox? Seventh question. What does the rabbit say to the fox? Answer. The rabbit says to the fox that, Brother Fox, run, the sky is falling. Brother Fox, run, the sky is falling. Question number 8. Why does the rabbit get scared? Why does the rabbit get scared? Answer. The rabbit gets scared because a leaf falling off leaf or leaf falls, so rabbit got scared. Now question number 2b. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. There are given some words into bracket. Akasha, agachati, gayati, anudhavati, pustakam. You have to find the correct option and write in the blank. First one. Shashakah vruksha samipam dash. Shashakah vruksha samipam dash. So the correct word is agachati. Shashakah vruksha samipam agachati. Second one. Dash patati. Dash patati. The correct answer is Akash. Akasha patati. Third blank. Geeta Gaika Geetam dash. Gaika Geetam dash. So the correct answer is Gayati. Gaika Geetam Gayati. Fourth one, Gita dash Pathati. Gita dash Pathati. So the answer is Gita Pustakam Pathati. Fifth one, Shrugalaha Anudhavati. Shrugalaha Anudhavati. Shrugalaha dash. So the correct word is Anudhavati. Shrugalaha Anudhavati. Question number 2C. Find out the true meaning. Find out the true meaning. There are given some Sanskrit word and in front of there are given English words. So you have to find the correct meaning. Tundam. Tundam, it means face or god. Face. Okay. Utpitika. Utpitika. Table or bench. Table. Shatika. Shatika means trunk or sari. Shatika, it means sari. Kutra. Kutra. Why or where? Where. Kutra, it means where. Vadati. Vadati. Going or speaking. Vadati, it means speaking. Shayanam. Shayanam. Sleeping or calm. Sleeping. Dhavatu. Dhavatu, it means run or walk. Run. Bhrataha. Bhrataha, brother or like brother. Okay. Now question number 2D. Answer the following questions in 2 sentences in English. Any 5. Answer the following questions in 2 sentences in English. What does the soldier think on seeing the golden necklace and the snack? First question. What does the soldier think on seeing the golden necklace and the snack? Answer is, the soldier thinks that he will kill the snack first and then take the necklace. The soldier thinks that he will kill the snack first and then take the necklace. Second question. Who robs the gold necklace of the princess? Who robs the gold necklace of the princess? The answer is, the crow robs the gold necklace of the princess. The crow robs the gold necklace of the princess. Third one. What is the main difference between Gujarati and Devanagari script? What is the main difference between Gujarati and Devanagari script? Answer. There is no line on top of Gujarati word, but such a line is always made on the words in Devanagari. There is no line on the top of the Gujarati words, but such a line always made on the words of in Devanagari. This is the main difference between Gujarati and Devanagari script. Okay. Now, how many vowels and consonants are there in Sanskrit? How many vowels and consonants are there in Sanskrit? There are 13 vowels and 33 consonants in Sanskrit. Okay, there are 13 vowels and 33 consonants in Sanskrit. Question number 5. What does the rabbit say to the fox? What does the rabbit say to the fox? The rabbit said, Brother Fox, run, the sky is falling. Brother Fox, run, the sky is falling. How are the Question number 6. How are the ears of an elephant? Answer. An elephant's ears like winnowing throws. An elephant's ears like winnowing throws. Question number 2E. Find out the true synonyms of the given words. Given word. True synonyms of the given word. Hasti. Hasti, it means Gaj. Gaj. Sinha. It means Mrigraj. Mrigraj. Netre. It means Lochanam. Netre, it means Lochanam. Akashaha. Nabhaha. Bruhat. Maha. Bruhat, it means Maha. Padaha, it means Charanaha. Charanaha. Now, question number 3. A. Write the following words in Sanskrit. Write the following words in Sanskrit. First word, sheep. Sheep, it means Meshaha. Meshaha. Second, crow. It means Kakaha. Snack. Sarpaha. Sparrow. Chataka. Ant. Pipalika. Peacock. Mayuraha. Frog. Mandukaha. Donkey. Gardapaha. Donkey. Gardapaha. Question number 3B. Complete the following verses. Complete the following verses. First one. Parvata sadrashe gatre. Sarshapa sannibh netre. Kathamti balvan meshaha. अंकुश मात्र भीत. पर्वत सदृशे गात्रे सर्षप सन्निभ नेत्रे कथमति बलवान एषः अंकुश मात्र भीतः. सेकंड वन. उदरम भाण्डाकारम उन्नत बृहच्छिरम अल्पम तुच्छे पुच्छम अहो अहा विचित्रम. उदरम भाण्डाकारम उन्नत बृहच्छिरम अल्पम तुच्छे पुच्छम अहो अहा विचित्रम. Question number 3C. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. Translate the following sentences into Sanskrit. First one. The rabbit is running. Translate into Sanskrit. Shashakaha dhavati. Second one. The sky is falling. In Sanskrit, Akashaha patati. Which day is today? Which day is today? Adya kaha vasaraha. Adya kaha vasaraha. The first day is Monday. The first day is Monday. Prathamo varaha somvasaraha. Prathamo varaha somvasaraha. A monkey is coming. A monkey is coming. In Sanskrit, vanaraha agacchati. Vanaraha agacchati. Now question number 4A. Translate the following sentences into English. Translate the following sentences into English. First one. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. In English, may all be happy. May all be happy. Second one, prasanna bhav sarvada. Prasanna bhav sarvada. Stay happy always. Stay happy always. Third one, adyah mangal vasarah. Adyah mangal vasarah. Today is Tuesday. Fourth one, varanam parivarah. Varanam parivarah. It means family of weekdays. Family of weekdays. Fifth one, shashakah kutra agachati. Shashakah kutra agachati. Where is rabbit comes. Where is rabbit comes. The last question. Question number 4b. Translate the following verses into English. Translate the following verses into English. First of all, I read the shloka and then I will translate of it. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Now I will translate it in English. Who with the crooked face, huge body and brilliance of crores of suns, Ganpati make me hurdle free in all my good deeds forever. Second shloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devu Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. The teacher is Brahma, the teacher is Vishnu, the teacher is Lord Shiva, and the teacher is the manifestation of the ultimate Lord. Salute with bowed head and folded hands to that teacher. Okay, students, this was our paper solution of semester 1 exam. Now we go through the semester 2. Okay, student, now we will learn our next chapter in our next lecture. Till then, take care.